Dr. Jaffe from Montgomery Animal Hospital in Rockville, Maryland. Today we're going to talk a little bit about cost. People often ask, how much does this procedure cost or how much is a visit? It tends to vary. If it's an emergency visit, and that may be one cost. If it's a recheck on something that we've seen a couple of times, it'll be a little bit less. So I would say that a visit can range anywhere from, say, $30 to, say, $75, depending on what the nature of the visit is. Certain procedures, spays, neuters, dentals, those things that we have, they're sort of packaged together. So they involve multiple services, and we'll give you, on a spay or a neuter on a cat and a dog, we will give you a price based on the weight or the age of your animal. Doing dentistries, we tend to package that together based on the age of the pet, because certainly dogs and cats that are older tend to have more dental disease, and it might take a little bit longer. Vaccinations, it really depends where your pet is in the series. They can range anywhere from sort of $20 to $35 and how many you need to have. What I can certainly do, or what we try and do, is that we may say to you, okay, this is where we are in the stage of vaccines, you may need 2 or 3 more visits, and if you need a rough estimate of what it's going to be, we can certainly do that. And then as far as whether or not we have a procedure, if your dog has a mass on its chest or a bladder stone, if you would like, we are more than happy to provide a written estimate with a ballpark of what it's going to cost so that you can be prepared for it. And lastly, what does it cost to put my pet to sleep? That also tends to vary based on sort of the condition. We do offer 2 forms of cremation. We use a wonderful company, and depending on the weight and the size of your pet, as well as whether or not you would like the ashes returned to you, tends to alter the price as well. So there is some fluctuation in that, but at any given time, we are more than willing to give you a written estimate and just give you a general idea of what things are going to cost. This is Dr. Adam Jaffe from Montgomery Animal Hospital. Thank you.